Okay guys, what's up? Other than RC car review with all this stuff. So first we have this little, I don't know what it is, AST amp or something. Good suspension. We have a motor right here, servo, steering servo down in there. Pretty nice. This is the body. We have stickers here. On the other side, it's this truck, trophy truck. Next we have this little DC Champion boat. It's like the size of a Hot Wheel car. It's pretty cool. And here's the bottom of it. That's the little right in the middle of the screen. It detects the water whenever it touches it. This is the remote for it. Proportional steering, proportional throttle. Next we got the crazy power. This is one of my favorites. Right now I just turned on and flipped it. Oh, it just died. But here it is. We have front lights. I don't have the body on it right now, but front lights, and there's fog lights on the body. This is the wire to connect it to the body. It's suspension. Me and my friend broke the axle the other day, but it's pretty good. This is the remote for it. Very nice. Proportional steering. Throttle is just click one way or the other. And that's my RC review. I have more RC cars downstairs, so I'll go show you. Oh yeah, I forgot about this one. Steering servo. We have everything. Proportional steering, proportional throttle, but we need to fix this one up. This one, I believe, is the track says Bandit. Oh, nice. I'll show you the Tesla once we get downstairs. This Tesla here. Never mind. Well, I had this Tesla that I had. This little car. Pretty cool. It's on that table. There it is on the table. Sorry guys. Here it is on the table. Tesla Roadster here. Pretty cool. It's made by a Hot Wheel. No suspension. Off, on, switch. And I guess that's it for this video, so see you guys later.